Back dancer. Don't you have fear show? You play mask, you roll out like a ball. This is and then you make a up, then you be good, so I make rush it so. So shall you go up, then you will go jump. Feel like I'm gonna get really cut up. Go when you start, it's just like a can't stop shot. If you don't tell me that one, you have to shot. Let me say. We don't pick up Captain Adman Nigerian style. He's the culture. Yeah. Silver Star here drop some good old rhythm in an idea. Well, I'm a captain there, man. Them no matter me, them no matter me, them no matter me, them no matter me. I'm a captain there, man. Them no matter me, them no matter me, them no matter me, them no matter me. Looking up on player. That's it, that's it. Time. Coming up time.
Short catch, like
He's
short
the
catch.
one. He's in that.
Short there, Ruben. Short there, Ruben.
Move on. Winning.
Fly out, fly out. Fly out, fly out.
I must select the hard to show. I cannot.
What's your? What's your?
So I have to set it up as soon as I can find. Never mind. In a place for no revelation, who broke the rules and get detention, who proved up the way of a ram. What's the matter, sir? They never come to anyone. They never go to one, they
I'm vlogging this, just so you know.
Get three of them and then breed up for me.
Oh, so now you want to say hi to me? Or wait, is she a twin?
No.
Oh, I thought I'm seeing double. Okay, okay. Whole heap of jackfruit.
You eat that fruit. I want to see eating.
I know.
I want to see.
Hmm?
I want to see.
You can't swim in that.
Why?
That's just a little river. Not even a river. A stream. Ah. Hi. Michaela.
21 or 20?
No.
Yes.
We're not having this any more conversation about this. You're going to be dating when you're 28.
No.
And any man that I see that you are with, that relationship going to mash up.
No, not 28.
You want bet?
Bet.
You're full of chatting, Z. You don't need to date nobody. You all right. Get your education.
Yeah, that's right. But 28.
I said you're not dating nobody. Sila. Good. Abe.
So don't talk to me, Kalina. So don't talk to me.
Kalia's like a whole mood right now. Kalia! Kalia!
Mommy. Call mommy.
Kalia! My gosh, she really has the flu.
You know, have no flu in the English, no English, no go talk, because you're in here.
Kalia, Rudy?
Hello.
Alright, this is the first time on the road in 24 hours. Actually, I lied. I went to a party last night. It's New Year, so everywhere's locked up. Whew. I feel like every time I come to Jamaica, my asthma like affects me. Whew.
Straight fucking judge, you just got just school. You have a school now, you just got
Judge school.
Straight inspector now.
Judge school? There's a judge school?
Why do you take
Where the
it?
blood
You
clot?
still have to lie, man. You can't judge straight. You got law school.
You have to go law school, brother.
You got law school, but you got...
You have to do about 10 years law and then step up after that.
Yeah.
You have to. You do 10 years law first.
Look at someone.
Yes, it does.
We are about 27, 28. What you do a lot.
And everybody can be a judge.
A straight judge, you come out and... But you right to man there. Straight.
Yeah, because if them kill him right there, if somebody kill him right there in the house and him a fight, I wouldn't want him. That's what I heard.
We're close. Happy New Year. The videos that we took, I can't send it right now for some reason. Oh, yeah. Hold on.